So hello guys, today we are gonna see how can we install MySQL on our PC. So first of all, go to any browser and search for MySQL. Now click on downloads and go to MySQL community downloads. Here click on MySQL install for Windows and download the Windows MSI installer file. Now click download and just click on no thanks, start my download. So I have already downloaded the file, so I'm gonna pause it for the moment. Now go to your files and where the file is downloaded, double click the file. Now I want to install the full MySQL, so I click full and next and execute. So it's downloading some file from the internet, so give some time, and when it's done, after that click on next and execute. Now it will install all the required packages. So now click on next, and here give some password. So after that next, press the next button there. Now full install and execute. Now click on finish and next. Finish, next. Now here check your password, let's see it working or not. Click on check, the green mark show it's working. Now click on next and execute. Once it complete, now click on finish, next and finish. Now we have successfully installed MySQL in our computer. Thanks for watching.